everybody, Holistic Travel Guy here, downtown Athens, Georgia. And right across the street from the Georgia Theater, when in Athens, photos on display. So there's a cute little old theater. And then we're gonna go down Clayton Street. A little bit of construction going on.
Maybe not, maybe.
There's an Urban Outfitters right down there. And Cutter's Pub down the end of the street. Tweed Recording. Cum Sunglass Optique. An old broken down drugstore building on the other side of the corner. Looks like the building's falling apart a little bit. And then down on this other street, not sure the name of it, we've got the Globe, we've got Little Italy, Roadhouse, Thai Spoon, bunch of cool eclectic restaurants, and we're gonna just wander across the street over in this direction and go for a little walk. All businesses open during renovations. That's good to know. All businesses are open. So yeah, we're just gonna go for a little walk down the street and see what's up down over here at Horton's Drugs. A lot of old buildings here in Athens, Georgia. A very historic town with a lot of old architecture and older buildings mixed in with a lot of modern buildings. There's a modern Bank of America right there across the street. I love Athens. So we'll see you down at the end of Clayton Street.